Hey, everybody, it's Tina, and I'm pumped. Hey, I just figured something out, okay? As a matter of fact, I just joined an online training or challenge, if you want to call it. It's 4% 10K challenge. Folks, this is awesome. I have learned so much, and I'm only on lesson 8, okay? I'm only on lesson 8. Vic Streisand does video training. He's showing me how to make multiple streams of income. You can start for as low as for $1. Check it out for $1. If we had success pills, okay? If we could take a success pill daily, would you try it? If there was something out there that said that you could make money daily? Now, this is all about making multiple streams of income and how easy it can be, all right? This is not guarantee that you're going to make big bucks. But if you put your mind to it, get your mindset going, act like there really is a success pill, and you take it daily, and you get your mindset in that order, and you know you're going to succeed, then seriously, you need to really check out this 4% 10K challenge, okay? And I've been doing online marketing for a while now. Yeah, I've tried affiliate marketing. I've tried it with tangible products, and I sucked at it. I failed. I was paying a subscription, and I just, I sold a few, but I didn't do good at all. Okay, I'm not a recruiter. I suck at that too. The only thing I'm really good at is teaching people on YouTube, showing people how to use Facebook, and things like that. I'm mostly a virtual assistant to other people. So I've always been behind the scenes helping others, And now I am in this rocking and exciting to learn actually how to make multiple streams of income by affiliate links. Okay? And it's like you put all these together and you drive traffic to it, and it works. It works. Okay? You set your goals, you strive those goals, but I'm not telling you all about what the challenge is, okay? What it consists of, it's videos, listening, learning, and learning from somebody that has made multiple millions of dollars online, okay? This guy is not a joke. He knows what he's doing. There's nothing, I'm telling you, there's nothing out there online like this. So, the link will be in the description below. Check out the 10K challenge, the 4%, and see what you think about it, okay? I don't think you're going not to like it, alright? It's not a scam. It's not BS like people... Everything's a scam when you have to pay for something. Well, you have to pay to go to work. In reality, you do. When you drive your car, you're paying for gas. You got to pay for tires. You got to pay for oil. You got to pay for maintenance. It's not free. And then if you have a car payment, you got to pay for that too to go to work to make money, right? So why not try to take this challenge? Start for $1 and see what I'm talking about, because you don't want to miss this boat. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day, and peace out.